Hi, this is not Mr. Williamson, and this is Torso Prep Quiz number 1. Well, you probably should have a piece of paper to write your answers down, just so you remember them and maybe take some notes. If you have not already taken a look at the Torso Discussion Part 1 video and Torso Discussion Part 2 video, you might want to do so right now. We're going to get going here. Just again, write down your answers. Do the best you can. Remember, on the test, you need to kind of pronounce them. Come close, not to be exact, but you do need to come close. Here we go. Okay. What is this organ, and what does it do? That's the first question. What is it, and what does it do? Remember, you can pause the video if you want to take some moment, but we're going to go ahead and go on right now. So pause the video if you need to, but we're going to keep going. All right, second question. What is this tube right here? We need to know what this tube is right here. What is it? Where does it go? Or what does it do? And also, what is it made out of? You might want to make sure you know that. So, again, pause the video if you have to. Okay. What is it and what's it do? It's this part right back here, the back of the mouth right there. What is that and what's it do? This back part of the mouth. Okay, actually, not even what does it do? Just what is it? What's the name of that called? All right. Next question. What is this and what does it do? The whole thing. What is it and what does it do? All right, what is this and what does it do? What is that, the organ with the heart, the arrow on it, what does it do? Also, you might want to be able to answer, where does it lead? And what is the oxygen content? Is the oxygen content high or low? What is this organ and what does it do? The arrow is right here, points to that right there. What is that and what does it do? All right, what is this and what does it do? What we're looking at is this little white shelf right here, and it extends over here also. What is that called and what does it do? What is it and what does it do? All right, what is this organ and what does it do? All right. What is that organ and what does it do? You can also ask, where does it, the material that's in it, where does it come from? And the material that's in it, where does it go? So that's also a couple of questions you might want to be able to answer. All right. The first question asked, what is this organ and what does it do? And we're talking about the bladder. The bladder stores urine, and it's when you have to go to the restroom, it fills up and it stretches, and it causes you signals to be sent to your brain. Say, hey, I have to go to the restroom. So that's what it does. The urine gets there, enters the ureters. The ureters up here. Ureters right here, and then it leaves to the urethra right there. So, okay. The question was, what are these tubes? And that's the trachea. It leads from the mouth or nose down into the lungs, and you can see part of the lungs right here. These are the lungs. And it's made of cartilage. It's made of cartilage so that it doesn't collapse when you breathe, and it allows you to keep your airway open. What is this? This is the soft palate. We're talking about back here. If you take your tongue, put it against the roof of your mouth, that's your hard palate. If you move it back into your mouth, that would be the soft palate. It doesn't really do anything, you just need to know it. This whole thing is the heart. I hope you knew that. And it pumps blood. It's responsible for the movement of blood through the organism. This organ is the aorta, and it is leading to the body. It goes out to the body. and it is high in O2, low in carbon dioxide. Okay? This is the kidney, this organ right here. It's the kidney, and it filters out the waste product from the blood. The urine, which is what the waste product would be, it goes down the ureter, down to the bladder, which we talked about earlier, and then out the urethra. This is the diaphragm. This is the shelf right here is the diaphragm. It's muscle responsible for breathing. When you inhale, it goes down, which fills up the lungs and makes the lungs bigger, therefore bringing air into them. And then when you exhale, it goes back up and it squeezes the air out of the lungs and out of your mouth. So it's the diaphragm. These are the lungs. So there's the site of respiration. It's where the oxygen and the carbon dioxide is exchanged. This is the rectum. The rectum stores fecal material, poop, and the fecal material comes from the large intestine, and it would go out the anus. So the rectum stores fecal material, comes from the large intestine, which removes the water to prepare the fecal material, and then it goes out the anus when you go to the bathroom. And that concludes the first torso prep quiz. If you have any questions, make sure you take a look at your packets. You can also watch the first and second torso discussion videos. I would strongly recommend that if you have not done so, you take a look at those or ask me in class, and I'd be glad to answer it. Hopefully you're preparing for the test. Good luck. See you on the test day.